Alrighty guys, so we're actually out here squirrel hunting right now, and it just started, just got done raining, and you can hear the raindrops on the leaves, but hopefully we get some squirrels. Maybe they'll start coming out again, but yeah. Oh, I saw a squirrel. Oh. Got him. Gray squirrel. Alrighty guys, nice gray squirrel. Let's go. I haven't shot a squirrel in so long. It was my favorite type of hunting. That was awesome. I saw this thing. It's kind of raining out here. That was sick. Alright guys, I think we gotta go back and cook this guy up. It's getting rainy out here. Alrighty guys, so it's actually the next day. It's probably 3 o'clock. But coming back down here, it's kind of still a little bit rainy and stuff. Or not rainy, but it's just slippery because it did rain. But yeah, hopefully we get a couple squirrels. I can only hunt for an hour right now though. But yeah, stay tuned. Oh, I saw a squirrel. I just saw one. Oh, I saw him. I see a squirrel. Got him. Alright, nice. One squirrel down. Little gray squirrel. Kinda wanna get a fox squirrel. Look at that squirrel, guys. Sweet. That guy was on the ground when I shot him. He had no idea I was there. I see him. Alrighty guys, so we're walking away with this one squirrel. I have to leave now, but just an hour we got one squirrel. Ow, I missed that other one, which kind of sucks, but yeah, sweet. Now we got 2 squirrels. Alrighty guys, so that was a really fun hunt. This was kind of a short video, just because I just got 2 squirrels and I really wasn't hunting for all that long, only an evening and then the next day for an hour. But I did manage to get 2 squirrels, 2 gray squirrels. There was fox squirrels in that area, but I didn't get any. But yeah, it was super fun. It was a short video, but super fun. Squirrel hunting is my favorite type of hunting to do pretty much. There's none in Nevada. But yeah, so thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.